Welcome to this video on configuring your audio device settings in Microsoft Teams. And so where we're going to begin is we're just going to begin at the Microsoft Teams application. Now, you can adjust your audio settings either within the Microsoft Teams application, when you first enter into a meeting, or while you're in the meeting. And so we'll look at all three of those options in this video, but we're going to begin in the Microsoft Teams application. So I'm just going to go under my little avatar. So you're just going to click on your little name or picture icon here in the upper right hand corner. And then you're going to go under the Manage Account option. And so after you choose Manage Account, what you want to do is you want to go under the option that says Devices. And so once under the devices area here, we're going to go down under what's called the audio devices. So when you're choosing your audio device, a few things to keep in mind is you want to consider the ease of use, comfort, reliability, and the quality. There's several types of audio devices that will work with Microsoft Teams. So just a couple of the more common ones is a built-in speakers and microphones. So most modern laptops and PCs will come with a built-in set of speakers and a microphone that could be used with Microsoft Teams, but it's not really an ideal solution because the speakers will allow for others, for example, in the room to hear your calls and meetings, and the microphone usually picks up ambient room noise, which again isn't ideal. However, it may be a good option if the audio quality and privacy are not a concern for you. But in terms of reliability and ease of use, what we tend to recommend is a USB wired headset. That's generally the best option just because they're easy to install and they provide a reliable connection. You can also use wireless headsets. So wireless headsets are quickly becoming a really popular device, especially if you're working from home, as they allow you to move kind of freely about without having to be tethered to your computer. They do require a wireless connection to your device, which involves an additional setup. So that's just something to keep in mind. But when setting up your audio devices, under the audio devices area, you're going to have a few options. So for me, I have a USB headset and mic. So that's my Jabra unit right here. So I can select that as my default audio device. I also have my Yeti Nano microphone that I'm using right now to record this video. So I could select that as an option. I could use the PC mic and speakers. So what that would do is that would just default and use my computer's microphone and speakers, or I can choose a custom setup. So the custom setup would allow me to use, for example, I could use my Yeti Nano microphone as my mic, and I could use my Jabra headset as my speakers. So the custom setup is if maybe you have a different microphone and headset that you'd like to use. Same as if you had, for example, a wireless headset. So that you would select custom setup, and then you would select your wireless headset for the audio coming in, and then for your microphone, you would just use, for example, the computer microphone. But for this demonstration, I'm actually just going to choose the Jabra one here. And so when I choose that, it makes my speaker the Jabra and my microphone. So my USB headset and mic, they're both kind of a one unit. They're all together. So it defaults to that. However, if I go for custom setup, for example, I could go on choose as my speaker is going to be just my headset, but my microphone, maybe I want that to be my Yeti mic. So I can, have a different headset and microphone here. But again, for the demonstration, I'm just going to go back. I'm going to choose the Jabra one, and then that way it's my headset and the mic is all the same unit, and then I'm good to go. And after everything here is all set up, I can just click X and it's going to save those settings. Now, if you're going to go into a meeting, so we're just going to pretend to go into a meeting here. So I'm just going to go under my calendar. I'm going to say meet now, and I'm just going to start into a meeting. So when you start into a meeting, you're going to have, when you go into the meeting, just before you enter in, just below where your camera is here, you're going to have a little icon that looks like this little gear icon right here. This is your device settings. So if you click on device settings, it's just going to open up your audio device settings here. And then again, you can go on, you can select your audio device here, whether you want to use the PC mic and speakers, the Yeti Nano, the Jabra, And then same with speaker. You can choose whatever you want to be your speaker, and your microphone right here. You set that information there, and you can just click the X button after you've done that and join into the meeting. So I'm just gonna turn off my microphone here and join into this meeting I'm setting up for myself here. And so once I'm within my Microsoft Teams meeting, let's say for example the meeting's going on and I want to adjust my audio settings. What I would do in that case is I would just go under the More option right here. We're going to get a list of items here. So I'm going to want to go under the device settings. So just click on More, and then the very first option here is device settings. So when I click on device settings, again, I have the ability to go on and I can choose my audio device here, whichever one I want to use as my main one. Right here, I can choose my speaker as well. So again, I've got my Jabra headset that I could choose, my Yeti Nano, or my Realtek, which would just be the computer ones right here, and then my microphone right here. So I can choose again whichever one of these options I want to have with my microphone. I select that, and then after I select it, I don't have to press save or anything. As soon as I select it, it automatically makes it the default one, and then I just press the X button to close that out, and I'm good to go. So this concludes the video on configuring your audio device settings in Microsoft Teams.